Rivet Lab. Ask an adult to help open the package. Carefully open each side. Remove the lab and make sure you have every piece from the package. The Rivet Lab comes with everything you see here. One playset, one head, one torso, 4 arms, 2 wheels, 2 roof lights, 2 lift lights, 1 refrigerator, 1 crane, 1 claw, 1 projectile, 1 launcher, 1 turret, 1 seat, 1 radar, 1 rusty figure, 1 fence, 2 sticker sheets, and an instruction sheet. Are you ready to start playing? Let's open it up by twisting the center dial. Lift the lid, then pull out the right side, followed by the left. Wow, a whole lab ready for genius creations. Now let's put the stickers on. Ask an adult to help if you're having trouble. Let's put 1 light on each side of the elevator. And the turret and launcher on top, like this. To the control station. And let's add the seat. Assemble and attach the crane and claw. Add the refrigerator. And install the radar dish. The Rivet Lab isn't complete without a trusty robot to help. Put 2 sets of wheels on the bottom. Put 2 arms on each side of the body. Top. Ta-da! We have our robot, Catch-a-Tour! Click the other pieces in wherever you'd like. The Rivet Lab is complete! Let's play! with real working lights and sounds. The Rivet Lab already comes with batteries installed, but if you need to change them, twist open the door to the lab and ask an adult to help open the battery compartment with a screwdriver on the other side. Take out the old batteries and put in new ones. Make sure you follow the polarity diagrams. That's the plus and minus. Replace the battery door with the screwdriver. And when you're ready to pack up, remove all the accessories first, then close the left side first, then the right side. Push down on the tab and close the top. Then twist to lock. There are so many awesome creations you can make with the Build Me Rivet system. Combine it and design it with the entire line. Jetpack, ant drill, cart build, buggy build, blaster tank, and Botosaur. Combine them all to create the ultimate mega build. Let's get to work. The possibilities are endless when you innovate with the Build Me Rivet system. To learn more about the Rusty Rivets Build Me system kits, visit rustyrivets.com or watch the next video.